In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free version of ChatGPT to improve your pronunciation. This is a new thing. This is a new feature. It's very powerful. It's very cool. And I'm really excited about it because I think it's going to be a great way for English learners like you to really get that natural sound. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's just hop over to ChatGPT. So here we are in GPT 3.5. So this is the free version, right? The new feature is that you can now listen to every single response. Not just that, you can listen to every response in a very natural, native-sounding voice. Now, you can choose the one you want to use, but it is very natural, and it sounds exactly like a native English speaker. It doesn't sound robotic. Now, before, if you wanted to listen to native pronunciation, you could watch a movie or a TV show, but you don't get to choose the sentence that you hear. What if you want to practice a specific sentence to learn the pronunciation of a specific sentence? How do you do that? Well, you can go and look up the individual word pronunciation, right? You can go to the dictionary and click on the little sound icon next to each word. But that's just the individual word. That's not the whole sentence. You can't learn how a sentence flows naturally doing it that way. But now it is possible. You choose the sentence. How do we do this? So it's extremely simple. I'm going to give you the prompt to use. Remove the quotation marks from this. Don't do or say anything else. Now, this is important because if you have another request, then you're going to get a lot of text back, more than what you want. And then you have to listen to all of that too. No, I just want to hear this sentence. That's all. I just want to listen back to it because I'm working on my pronunciation. When I can hear it several times, then I can shadow it, follow along, and repeat after it and hear it as many times as I want, right? So this is a very specific request. We're trying to subtract something and get nothing else. Here's what I want to say. I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week. It'll be great to catch up and discuss our plans, okay? Now, if I just look up, I'm really looking, you can look up how to pronounce these things individually. And you can look for examples in movies and TV shows, but that's not very efficient, right? I want to hear it 20 times to say it naturally. Okay, so let's do that. Now, what we get back should be just that. Just what we want to hear without the quotation marks. Okay, so here we go. And we have only what we want to hear, nothing else, and the little sound icon. So let's see if we can listen and improve our pronunciation. Here we go.
I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week. It'll be great to catch up and discuss our plans.
So first, that's very natural sounding. That is a native English speaker. This voice, I believe, is called Sky. I think it's a pretty good one. Now, I want to listen to it again. This is where you then do what's called shadowing. The shadowing method is where you listen to something many times, develop your listening skills, a great way to improve your listening, repeat until you can say it yourself. So I'm just going to pick out the first 4 or 5 words and I'm going to try to say that myself.
I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week. It'll be great.
So I can stop it too, which is cool. I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week. So what I'm hearing is that there's a flow between words. She's not stopping her voice between words. She says, I'm really looking. She doesn't say, I'm really looking.
I'm really looking forward to.
I'm really looking forward. I'm really looking forward.
I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week.
I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week.
I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week. It'll be great to catch up and discuss our plans.
So, does she say it'll or it will? It'll be great. It'll be great. It'll be great.
I'm really looking forward to our meeting next week. It'll be great to catch up and discuss our plans.
It'll be great. It'll be great. It'll be great to catch up and discuss our plans. So, you can listen to it as many times as you need. Again, this is free. You get exactly what you need. You can search any sentence, any word. Again, it was possible to search words before in any dictionary, but very difficult to have a whole sentence or two sentences that you can actually get the pronunciation for, the full thing in a natural way. Very cool. Try this out. Let me know how it goes. Play around with it. Use the shadowing method to improve your pronunciation. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.